murwane igihugu mugifate mutugombore ntibazongere kwica umunyamurenge ukundi.
Ntago abanyamurenge baremewe kubagwa nk'amatungo, naba n'itungo hari amategeko yo kubaga itungo, bamwe kwicwa bashyingwe babona.
Abanyamulenge people are complaining they are being killed, their right is being violated, they are being harassed, they are being accused to be Rwandans. This has been happening for long, since the colonialist time, where these people who are called Banyamulenge, they were addressed by colonialists in what they used to call Zaire, which has turned into DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. Today, the President Félix Thisekedi of Congo has offered the United States control over his country's vast minerals resources, persuaded President Trump and Western powers to send their troops to help to stop the M23 rebels.